Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about sets, relations, and functions. First chapter, 11th standard. So already we saw the first four sums of exercise 1.1. So this is continuous class. The fifth question: justify the trueness of the elements. An element of a set can never be a subset of itself. So subset of itself. So let A equal to, so this is we consider let A equal to A, B, C, D, E. So we can write this one subset A, separate B, separate C, D, E. So write the above sentence: an element of a set can be a subset of itself. Okay, can be a subset of itself. So the sixth question: if element number of P of A equal to 1, 0, 2, 4, number of A union B equal to 15, number of A union B equal to 15. So number of P of B equal to 32. Find number of A intersection B. So here we find number of A intersection B only. Already we know this formula. What is formula? See below side, number of A intersection B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A union B. So this is a 9th standard, 10th standard formulas. Okay. So see the question. If we want A intersection B, so we must need these values. But the question having number of A union B only, but other two hints is here. So we find number of A and number of B from these 2 points. Okay, so this is also 9th standard formula, number of A equal to M, which implies number of P of A equal to 2 power M. So the given value number of P of A equal to 1024. So see this place, number of P of A. Okay, don't see this one now. Okay, so see this place, number of P of A equal to 1024. So 1024 we can take LCM method. If we divide by 2, we get 10 twos here. So 2 power 10. So 1024 is 2 power 10. So we must divide it by 2 only, because the question, the formula having the basic value 2 only. Okay, the formula having 2 only. We cannot divide 3, 4, 5, etc. values. Okay, only 2. So 2 power 10. So the number of A equal to 10, meaning, so this power value 2 power 10. So 1024 2 power 10. So number of A value 10. Why? See this conditions, power value M. This answer is, so we want a number of A only. So number of A M. So here also comparing this formula, we get number of A equal to 10. So like this second point, number of P of B equal to 32. So this 32 we can divide by 2, 32 divide by 2 16 times. Okay, see this side, 8 times, then 4 times, 8 here, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. See this side, this is also same value only. So here 2 power 5. So this power value only answer, the power value only number of B equal to 5. So we find number of A, number of B and number of A union B is given. So substitute this place, we get 0. So number of A intersection B value 0. So the 7th question, if number of A intersection B equal to 13 and number of A union B equal to 10, then find number of P of A symmetry B. A symmetry B. So A symmetry B form number of a minus b minus number of b minus a. This is a formula. Number of a symmetry b equal to number of a minus b minus number of b minus a. So see the question, number of a intersection b and number of a union b values is given, are given. Okay, so we take another formula. Number of a union b equal to number of a union b equal to number of a minus b number of b minus a plus number of a intersection b. So this one keep it left hand side only, but this one comes to left hand side, this plus make minus number of a intersection b equal to number of a minus b minus number of b minus a. So substitute this value and these values. Okay, this value is given question. Number of a union b 10, number of a intersection b 3. This one value, number of a minus b minus number of b minus a value this place. Okay, number of a symmetry b. So substitute this place number of a symmetry b. So 7 equal to number of a symmetry b. A symmetry b. But this one number of a symmetry b only. Number of a symmetry b only. But see the question, number of p of a symmetry b. Number of p of a symmetry b. So if you want number of p of a symmetry b, we use this formula. Number of a equal to m, number of p of a equal to 2 power m. So this place instead of a, we use number of a symmetry b. A symmetry b equal to 7, which implies number of, so a meaning a symmetry b. A symmetry b equal to 2 power 7. What value? 2 power 7. How? Number of a symmetry b value 7. So number of p of a symmetry b value 7. 2 power 7. 2 formula m value m 7 7 2 power 7. The answer is 128. Okay, so the 8th question, for a set a comma a into a contains 16 elements. How many elements? 16 elements, and two of its elements are 1 comma 3 0 comma 2. Find the element of a. So the set is a. We can multiply a into a, we get 16 elements. So the 2 elements is given the question. So find other 2 elements. Okay, so find the elements of a. Okay, elements of a. Okay, correct. So since a into a equal to 16, so if you take this formula, the base value is 2, so 2 power 4. 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 only we get 16. So totally the a set having 4 elements. 4 elements. The elements of a 1 comma 3 0 comma 2. So we can a into a only, not a into b, b into a, b into c. Okay, only one set is here. So the all values is lie in the a set. So a equal to 0 1 2 3. Okay, so the 9th question, the let a and b be the sets such that number of a equal to 3, number of a equal to 3 and number of b equal to 2, number of b equal to 2. So the question, the a and b set is here, the total element of a is 3. Suppose the a equal to 3 element is here, we can write like this, number of a equal to 3. So 2 element is there, we can write 2. So if x comma 1 y comma 2 z comma 1 are in AP, are in a cross b, a cross b. Just see here, the first element fully a, the second element fully b. Okay, so find a and b where x and y are distinct element. X and y z are distinct element. So write easily. Okay, so the first element fully, so a cross b equal to this one, number of a, this is the question only we can write here. So a cross b will have 6 element. The remaining elements x comma z, y comma 1, x comma 2, y comma 1, z comma 2. But don't want this one. So write directly because a cross b is here. The first in your previous first four sums, okay, the first four sums and 10th standard also you can write a cross b, meaning if they are given two sets, a equal to 1 comma 2, b equal to 4 comma 5. So a cross b meaning we should write a first place a only, so 1 comma 3, so like this only. So the first place is a, so like this place also x y is at a set, x y is at a set. Then b set is at b set 1 to 1, so the 1 is comes again here, so take 1 times in 1, so 1 comma 2 only, 1 comma 2 only. So don't want these steps, okay, these two steps, right, this one and last steps. Then 10th question, the 10th question, if a class a has 16 elements, S equal to a comma b belongs to a cross a less than b minus 1 comma 2 and 0 comma 1 are two elements of S. Two elements of S. Then the remaining elements of S. So since a cross a has 16 elements, minus 1 comma 2, 0 comma 1 are two elements. So minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1, 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1. So like this one also, okay, the same number only. So minus 1 comma 0, the remaining elements S are minus 1 comma 0 minus this one only answer, okay. Thank you student. The next one, conditions, the next exercise. First of all, we should memorize that conditions. So I given that conditions later. Then these sums you should copy in your classwork note very neatly, okay, don't forget. Thank you student.